first unboxing today. Before we even get started, like, hit that subscribe button. Just, I think it's right here actually. Hit that subscribe button, join the Joi-Louise family. I love having you here, and I would like to grow my channel, I need you guys to tell me what content you want to see. I don't want to just make it up for you. I know that it's really you guys that are going to dictate what direction my channel moves in. So I'm going to continue to ask you for your feedback. I'm going to ask you for what you want to see. And until then, until I kind of get an idea of what you want, I'll just try to make sure that the content I am providing is creative, cool, fun, and something that you want to see. So let's get into it. So I was gifted my very first month of FabFitFun. If you don't know, FabFitFun is actually a seasonal subscription. So that basically means you get your subscription boxes 4 times a year as opposed to your monthly subscriptions. And basically it is a box of amazing, amazing, amazing products from what I have seen. So I was gifted my first month by FabFitFun, which I want to say thank you so much. I am so excited. I literally have had this box for a week or two because I wanted to unbox it with you guys, and I have been exercising the most restraint. So let's get into it. So I'm going to just use my scissors. I did not match this on purpose, but it does match the box. So this is the fall box, so let's just crack her open. If you are underage, please get help with opening the box. Some of you, even if you are of age, please get help with opening the box. Alrighty. Okay, so why is this the cutest little box ever? And I have to let you know, if you don't know this about me, fall is my favorite season, hands down. Next in line would have to be spring. Obviously, I'm more of a transitional girl. I'm the same way with fashion, so it kind of makes sense. But I can see there's this cute little magazine. Wow. That is so cute. Oh my God, is that Christina Applegate? She's so cute. That is her. Obsessed. Obsessed. So I'm not gonna look at that. I know it has like kind of like highlights of what's in the box, I believe. So I want to be surprised, so I'm not gonna look at it. Let's see. Ooh, a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. Apologies, my Yorkie is barking. Can't get around it. Okay, so that's a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. Choose what looks delicious from my menu weekly. Let us shop and deliver all the pre-measured ingredients you'll need. You cook delicious meals in 30 minutes or less. Cool. This reminds me of Blue Apron. I did that for a while and the meals were actually pretty good. Next, Lunar Bar. $3 off of Lunar Bars. I don't really eat Lunar Bars. I'm really a bar girl. Is that weird? I don't know. Here's a Lunar. Well, I guess I'm trying a Lunar Bar, you guys. Okay, so it is salted caramel nut cashew bar filled with fruit and nuts. Okay. Oh, you guys, what's in here? Let's see. Wait for it. Wait for it. Why is this the first thing my eyes went to? The original beauty blender. I literally was just looking at one of these the other day and really wanted it, but didn't buy it, and I guess this was why. I know that these retail from anywhere from like 20 to 25 or 24 bucks, depending on where you get it from. So that's pretty great. Really excited about that. Ooh, wait. Glam Glow. Okay, so this is a Glam Glow bubble sheet. You guys. Okay. An oxygenating deep cleanse mask. Oh, Oh my god, this is so exciting. Wait, not one, but two. Oh, I'm so excited. You guys, this is definitely an umbrella. Catherine Malandrino. I know it's just an umbrella, but obsessed. Obsessed. Okay. So, 46 inches of coverage. Seems pretty standard. Auto opening umbrella. You guys, oh, it has little poppies on it. This is beautiful. FabFitFun, this was a good look. We always need umbrellas. Let's see. Pharmacy Do It All. Total Eye Cream with Echinacea Green Envy. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Contains naturally derived ingredients. Free of parabens. Free of formaldehyde. Free of artificial coloring. Not tested on animals. An eye cream, you guys. A powerfully moisturizing eye cream to help maintain signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Reap the benefits. Reduces the appearance of dark circles and visibly improves the brightness of the under eye area. You guys. Use morning and evening and tap a small amount on and around the eyelids and under the eyes. Smooth gently and inward in an inward sweeping motion to avoid stretching the skin. Listen. Okay, let's see what this is. You guys, this is like, you know, I just gotta be so reckless when I open these boxes, don't I? But it's not like they make it easy. Let's see. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Do It All. Made in Korea. Isn't that cute? It's got a light scent. I don't know if you can see that. Excited to try that. Not gonna lie. Let's see. And what's next? Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. The Italian collection. Okay. I just gotta smell things. Okay. Love that. I love that. You guys, some good stuff in here. Wait, what is this? Crown Pro for pros by pros. Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Oh, so y'all just gonna give us brushes. Okay. Wait. Cute little, this is cute. Throw it in your bag and go. I'm feeling it. Okay. Wait. Okay, FabFitFun. You got, wait. You guys, these are some, you guys, these are some good brushes. Okay? Hold on, because I know I said, hold on, my sequins are betraying me. I know I said I wasn't going to go in this book. But now I want to see the value of these brushes. Like, I'm 2 seconds from falling out. I'm going to try not to look at anything else. Okay, wait. You know how you like skim through something when you're reading? You're just kind of like, oh, I just want to... Okay, the ultimate makeup how-to tool. Okay, guys. There's a powder brush, a blush brush, concealer brush, a shadow brush, a blending brush, an eyeliner, and brow brush. Oh, wait, that was it. And the beauty blender. Okay, hold on. Wait up. Disclaimer. Announcement. This retails for $75. I'm so excited. I'm really excited by that. Okay. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I was just saying to myself this morning too that I wanted like a brush set that I could carry in my bag. I know that sounds extra, but you like never know. So this I'm obsessed with. Okay. What is this? Simply Whimsical. Homemade pretty. It's like it says it's a towel. Let me peek. Let me peek. So, okay, so this is, oh, this is really cute. So this is a tea towel. It features the gray pattern and you keep it in your kitchen. I'm really excited. A tea towel. You know why they sent me this? I know why. This is my little teapot, my Alfred teapot. Sip in style with a ceramic teapot designed by LA-based tea spot Alfred Tea Room. It has a stainless steel lid and a wide-lipped infuser and a dripless spout to make tea time enjoyable. You guys, first of all, why is this so stinking cute? How cute is that? Honestly, how cute is that? Can you see? It is so cute and it has like the little steeper foil tea. I love that. I really, really do love this. For like tea time with the girls, or when you have a little girl. Oh no. This is really cute. I love, 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 love. And this, I think this is the last thing. So exciting. So this is a polishing facial exfoliant by Grown Alchemist. Oh. Let's see. Wait. So it's a gentle skin polishing exfoliant formulated for daily use to gently delaminate dry skin and dead cells and stimulate cell regeneration. Facial skin is left looking radiant, calm, and smooth, perfectly prepared for moisturize. Okay, so you use it in between your wash and your moisturizing. Gently massage in and rinse off with warm water. Ideal for all skin types. Okay. So, you guys, this has a $67 value. So, I am actually afraid to use this because if I really like it, I may end up buying it again. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was my very first one. If you want to learn more about FabFitFun or you just want to kind of try it out, you can definitely head over to their website. This video is not sponsored, but I definitely wanted to go through this with you guys and share the excitement of a new subscription. I know I like a good subscription, and there's nothing better than a good subscription than a new subscription, right? Make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and we'll be back for another video. Bye.